And on Stripe. Alright, so first of all, if I sound and look like The Walking Dead, it's because I'm sick. And as timing would have it, while I'm trying to rest, still got to work obviously, hence the video, but while I'm trying to rest, I get a nice little email from Stripe, my main payment processor, saying that they are closing the account due to breaching policies around adult services. Now, I'm quite familiar with this, and as you do OnlyFans management for a while, you will unfortunately become familiar with it too. I've been banned from a lot of banks, Wise, Airwallex, Revolut, MyZella. They're all virtual banks, but this is a pretty big one because this is a payment processor in itself. So this is pretty big, but it's all a part of the game. So it comes down to problem solving, how you get around it, and it teaches you not to put all your eggs in one basket. Now, the issue that I'm seeing here is that as soon as you get over it, this seems to be my theory, as soon as you get over a certain threshold of payments, they seem to dive deeper. So I know with Wise, I was using them for about 6 months, had a couple of models going, like payments going through via Wise. I even got a couple of my models onto it, got them to create their own Wise account. I was like, hey, this is awesome. Create your own Wise account, and then you can create another account for different currencies. You can swap them around, and we can blah, blah. Anyway, and then everything was going well for 6 months. Had payments coming in, payments going out to pay bills, etc. for the business. And then 6 months later, they asked for more information about the business. I mistakenly gave them my agency website, and then all I do is and then I get an email from them saying your account's closing and you need to withdraw all funds immediately. So same thing with Airwallex, Revolut, and MyZelle. It all happened kind of the same. So you'll be using it for a while, for a few months, and then when you reach a certain threshold or when a certain amount of money has come in or gone out or whatever, then they appear to dig a little deeper, and then I'm guessing as soon as they see the word OnlyFans, whether it's on your website or whatever, boom, they just close it because they seem to think, just like Stripe here, that because we have OnlyFans in the name, we are selling adult content. Now, no matter how many times I try to appeal to these companies to say, no, we don't sell adult content, we actually just manage accounts and teach them social media strategies and blah, blah, blah. We're essentially consulting. They don't have a bar of it. And then you get banned. So you need to move on, find another way to do business. So luckily, because I've already been banned from three, what did I say, four, it might even be more actually. Just been doing this for a while now and they just keep racking up. So because I've been through this rodeo before, I already had a backup plan. So I would say 3/4 of our models actually just get invoiced and they pay their payments to a brick and mortar business bank account that I have set up. This was because I was sick of all these woke virtual banks banning me for the same reasons. As soon as it's associated with adult content or they see the word OnlyFans, they ban me. And so I set up a brick and mortar business bank accounts in my own country because I figured, hey, maybe they're not as woke because they're brick and mortar. Well, especially in Australia, it doesn't appear to be as woke as overseas. That's just my theory anyway. But yeah, so I set up a brick and mortar bank account and we actually invoice, I would say at least 3/4 of our models now. Look, if you invoice your model and they run off with the revenue from the OnlyFans account, then in my opinion, you've just done a shitty job because they think they can make more money if they run away from you. So anyway, point is, banned on Stripe. Now, as I said, if you've been doing this for a while, you will eventually get one of these from one of the virtual banks. And then it's all about how you deal with it. Now, your heart is going to sink and it can catch you off guard. Well, it will catch you off guard even when you're sick, apparently. So it is not the thing I wanted to read because among doing work, also trying to rest so that, you get better. And then when you get one of these emails, it's all hands on deck. And then you've just got to quickly find a solution right quick because they literally just start seizing payments altogether. So if you have a bunch of things tied to your bank, which you would, and a payment processor, then you really don't have time to rest. You just need to start sorting out a solution right quick. Now, what this means for you, if you are a member of my forum or my Discord, if you're not, I recommend you sign up. But what this means for you is that Stripe was actually managing the payments for Empire Forums and my Discord. Now, luckily, there are alternatives. Now, with my forum, you can actually sign up via PayPal as well. So, if you sign up via card, Stripe manages that. Stripe manages the card payment. So, if you go to sign up to premium membership using a card, bank card, credit card, whatever, Stripe by default manages that. Now, if you have done that and you are a premium member of the Empire forums and you have used the card, then I'm sorry, but you must update this immediately. Change your billing details and update it with PayPal. I've sent an email out to all of you premium members. Now, if you are not yet a premium member, but you plan to be, then I have just disabled Stripe. So now the only option you'll have is to sign up via PayPal. So I'm sorry for the inconvenience, but it's just what you got to do. You got no choice, and you will eventually experience this as you do OnlyFans management for longer and longer. You have no time to bitch about it. You just get on with it, find an alternative, and then yeah, when you get banned from these banks, they will always send you an email along with you can submit an appeal. But whenever you submit an appeal, they just come to the same conclusion. So you can submit an appeal, but you always get the same answer usually. So yeah, so if you're an Empire Forums member and you are a premium member and you have signed up via card, then please update your billing details right quick and update via PayPal. I've sent an email out, or you can see the latest topic on Empire Forums. Now, if you're unable to update your current premium membership subscription with PayPal, then unfortunately you'll just have to let that expire and then resubscribe with PayPal. I know it's a pain in the ass, but as I said, got no choice. Now, with the Discord, it's a similar kind of thing. So Stripe was managing all the card payments by default. Now, since that doesn't work, and I've got over 150 Discord members now, all of those members need to update their billing details. Same thing. Got PayPal as an alternative, and then we'll be implementing crypto. Now, I also found another alternative payment method for WAP, which is they essentially, see, I got the sniffles. I'm trying to hold it together, but it's Walking Dead here. But oh well, you just got to keep working. So anyway, so now WAP have their own payment processing. So I have enabled that. So when you go to sign up to Discord, if you use a card, WAP will manage that. Now, what I noticed when I implemented this was that the WAP payments is powered by Stripe. So in order to prepare for the worst, which is what you should always do, come on, mate, all the sauce they give away, it's crazy. Look, contracts, templates, it's ridiculous, $49 a month, it's insane. Daily TikTok trends alone are worth, as I said, $497. I base it on what Nathan Aston charges because he does a similar service. He charges $500 a month for that. Anyway, it's included. Now, anyway, back to the point. So when you sign up to my Discord, I recommend that you sign up via PayPal or crypto. Now, if you can't do that and you must sign up via card, then I guess we'll just roll the dice and try it. You'll sign up via card. What payments will take care of it? And then with a bit of luck, it will be okay. But as I said, preparing for the worst, if Stripe recognizes me or my product and then they pull that as well, then that means you will have to just resubscribe via PayPal or crypto. So in order to prevent that and prepare for the worst, as I said, when or if you go to sign up to my Discord, I recommend you sign up via PayPal or crypto. And all current members, unfortunately, you'll just have to let your subscription expire and then you'll have to resubscribe via PayPal or crypto. Now, all current members, in order, because as a way of an apology and to kind of make it up to you and to honor your original price, hit me up in the Discord or the current premium members. I'll give you a discount code. So when you resubscribe, not only will I honor the original price when I launched it, I will also give you a little discount on top of that. So this will mean you'll get locked into that discounted price for perpetuity when you resubscribe. So it will be less than the original price. So when I launched this, it was $29 a month. All my current premium members, if you stick with me, and as an apology for this pain in the ass inconvenience, I know it is, if you stick with me, then let your current subscription expire, hit me up, I'll give you a discount code, and we'll make it even cheaper than the original $29 a month subscription. And then that will lock you in. When you resubscribe, you'll be locked into that cheaper price for as long as you're in the Discord. So as a little thank you for sticking with me, and sorry for the inconvenience. Now, these things here that I've just run through, this is what you need to do. So as I said, there's no bitching about it. You just have to find a solution and deal with it. Now, regarding the invoicing and the models that was being processed through Stripe, well, we're just going to move them over to the invoicing method as well. So we're just going to start invoicing them too, just like the other models, and then they will receive an invoice each month, and they'll literally just pay the revenue, or the, what we're owed. They'll just pay it to our brick and mortar bank account, just like our other models are. So that's what we've done with the models. And then with Empire and Discord, which are run through Stripe, we will change it to the things I just mentioned. So switch to PayPal, etc. And that's it. That's what you got to do. So I thought I'd make this video just as a bit of a lesson. I literally got this email yesterday, I think. I wanted to record this video just to show you, A, it happens, and B, how to deal with it. And how you deal with it is you just get on with it. You quickly find a solution and get to work. So that's it. Now I better go because I'm just falling apart right now. My voice is, my throat is, it's all bloody, and still got work to do. So yeah, that's it. I just wanted to give you a little, just show you behind the scenes. It's not always up and up, but when it is down, you turn that frown upside down and get on with it. So, and that's it. Now, if you like my videos and you want to see more source and you want these contract templates and scripts and all that, it really is like this Discord is like nothing else. In fact, I've almost shot myself in the foot because I offer so much value for such a low price. I've noticed a lot of the members don't even appreciate it because they didn't pay a lot for it. It's like the bottle of wine. If you get a bottle of wine and it tastes like shit, but you paid $5,000 for it, in your mind, you're gonna be like, that was delicious, even though it actually tastes like shit. So what I'm noticing with members in the Discord is they're asking for this and that, and I'm like, there are like methods in here that people pay hundreds or if not thousands for. Then you have the TikTok trends and the Model E giveaways. Like, it's crazy. Either that or just some people are just really entitled. But yeah, and it's just, put it that way, there's so much value in there that I feel like I've shot myself in the foot. So you want to subscribe. Now, when you subscribe, remember, subscribe via PayPal or crypto. And if you like my video, please smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.